Quorum sensing, how bacteria communicate and coordinate. What is quorum sensing? Quorum sensing is a chemical communication system that bacteria use to regulate gene expression based on their population density. How does it work? Bacteria produce, release, and detect signaling molecules called autoinducers. Here we have bacteria releasing autoinducers, as you see, communicating together. When autoinducer concentration is low, gene expression remains inactive, so there'd be no bioluminescence. Here we have low density and no bioluminescence. When the threshold concentration is reached, a high bacterial density, quorum sensing is activated, triggering coordinated response. So here we have high density and you show bioluminescence. An example is the bioluminescence in Vibrio fischeri inside the Hawaiian bobtail squid, where light production is controlled by autoinducers. So on the left we have low density, not showing bioluminescence, which is a low accumulation of the Vibrio fischeri. And on the right we have the high density, which is showing bioluminescence. So let's get into the Vibrio fischeri. Vibrio fischeri uses the LuxI system, where LuxL synthesizes the autoinducer AHL, which accumulates and binds to LuxR, activating the Lux operon for bioluminescence. The Lux operon is a set of genes in Vibrio fischeri that will control bioluminescence. So here we have AHL binding to the Lux receptor right there. Now we can go into Vibrio harveyi. Vibrio harveyi utilizes a more complex system with multiple autoinducers, autoinducer 1 and 2, integrating multiple signals to regulate bioluminescence. Autoinducer 1 is species-to-species autoinducer, while autoinducer 2 is universal signaling, allowing harveyi to interact with different species. On the left, we have autoinducer 1, which are two same species bacteria, and on the right, autoinducer 2, which are two different species of bacteria. Now, why do bacteria use quorum sensing? For biofilm formation, virulence factor activation, resource management, and interspecies communication. So biofilm, bacteria adhere to surfaces and develop protective layers, critical in chronic infections and industrial contamination. Virulence factor activation, pathogenic bacteria regulate toxin production based on quorum sensing, ensuring an optimal infection strategy, so cystic fibrosis. Resource management enables bacteria to efficiently produce extracellular enzymes and secondary metabolites. So interspecies communication. Some bacteria can detect and respond to autoinducers from other species, such as Vibrio fischeri and harveyi. Disrupting quorum sensing applications in medicine. Quorum quenching, medical relevance, and environmental and industrial applications. Quorum quenching refers to the disruption of quorum sensing by degrading or blocking autoinducers, preventing bacteria from coordinating behaviors like biofilm formation. Medically, targeting quorum sensing offers potential treatments against antibiotic-resistant infections, particularly those involving biofilm, by rendering bacteria less virulent without killing them. Environmental and industrial applications. Quorum quenching is also being explored for controlling harmful bacterial populations in water systems, food safety, and bioremediation by preventing biofilm-associated contamination. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.